this video we'll be recording a small tutorial how to install Ladybug in your Rhino. So first of all, Ladybug is sort of a plugin which comes along with Grasshopper. So Grasshopper is already pre-installed in Rhino. You don't have to install it at once, do any steps to install Grasshopper. You can just see a small green color globe icon with a symbol Grasshopper symbol on it. So click on it. So your Grasshopper canvas will open. So within this is where we'll be working for Ladybug. So we'll start with the tutorial how to install Ladybug first. So for that, go inside your Chrome and then go for Food for Rhino. So this is where you'll be installing any sort of plugins for Rhino and Grasshopper. So it's a marketplace for Rhino and Grasshopper. So what you have to do is you have to register first. So it will ask either to log in or register. You can directly log in with your Google account and go inside it and then search for Ladybug. So this is the first one which is available. It's what we are going to install here. Go inside it. So here for me it says download. So since I have already logged in, it says download. If you haven't logged in, it will ask to log in first, then you can download it. So you don't need to download it here. You can scroll down and you can see the latest version. So you can see different types of versions available. So you can get the latest version, which is 1.8.0. So here go and press download and then it will ask for the location to download and then hit save. So my download will start happening. In the meantime, what you have to do is so you have to download Ladybug and then you have to download Radiance also. So for that, what you have to do is go for another tab, go for Radiance for Grasshopper. Again, so this is go for the first link, Radiance Honeybee installation. Go inside it, and inside it a Grasshopper forum will be opened. And inside it again go for the first thing, which is a GitHub will be opened. Within here, so you will see different versions available. So Ladybug, which you have downloaded is 1.8.0. So here. So this is what we have downloaded, 1.8.0. So for this 1.8.0, we are going to download Radiance, and then so here, okay, I clicked it. Go for Windows file, Windows exe. So this is what I'm going to download. Again, I'll just send it to downloads. So Radiance is downloading. Go for Open Studio, 1.8.0 Radiance, and then I'm downloading for Open Studio also. Again, just scroll down. You can see Open Studio for Windows.exe. So Radiance and Radiance will be used for radiation when you are calculating radiations and all, and Open Studio will be more related to Honeybee when we are going for indoor calculations and all, indoor climatic calculations. So Honeybee we won't be seeing in the current tutorials. Later on we'll be seeing all those things. Okay. So Ladybug is downloaded. So I'll go for downloads. I've got my Ladybug 1.8.0. So whatever plugin you have downloaded, first of all, what you have to do is right click and then go for properties, and then you will see in the security command unblock. So whenever you are downloading from Food for Rhino, before unzipping it, just go for properties and unblock the file and then apply. Okay, now since if you are using Windows 11 version, what you have to do is you have to unzip it first. So right click, extract here, install. Yeah, my Ladybug is installed. So inside here you will see the installer and everything. So what we have to do is we just need the installer. So I'll open my Rhino and then I'll open my Grasshopper now. So here you can see a lot of components will be here. So for me, I've installed a lot of components for in case if you're a beginner or just using Grasshopper. So till Kangaroo is what your components will be visible. So what we are going to do is we are just going to drag and drop our installer of Ladybug inside it. So you have your Ladybug installer, just drag and drop the installer inside your canvas, Grasshopper canvas, that's all. So it will take a few seconds. Yeah, so just scale it up, maximize the window, and then you can see here. So right now we haven't installed it, we are just brought the installer inside the Grasshopper canvas. So just read the following, whatever beforehand you have to do is, so make sure it's being connected to internet. Okay, my internet is connected, and then I guess everything is fine. Then just hit the toggle. So once the toggle is entered, so this is your first part of installation, which is you have to run the command. Next here in the optional setups it says install OpenStudio and install Radiance. So it's not we'll be seeing all these two also including in this workshop. So what you have to do is once the first step is done, we'll go and install the Radiance and OpenStudio now. So yeah, again I'll go for my downloads now. Yeah, my Radiance, this is my Radiance. Here these both are like Windows exe setups only. So it will ask whether to run or not. What you can do is go for more info and then run anyways. Publish, enter, and then you can just save it in the default C only. Next, enter. So these are all normal Windows exe setups only. So my Radiance is installed. I'll install my OpenStudio also. Yes, hit enter, everything is and install. So here you may be using different softwares like Energy Plus models, like Energy Plus or some builders softwares and all. So what is, why you are preferring Ladybug inside Grasshopper is so what is being followed is majorly you take whatever software you're doing the model, you have to take the model outside your the model making software, and then you are importing to another energy software. Okay, so there is a transfer between two softwares are happening, so there may be some mesh problem will be there. So it's even though it gives the exact details about the energy details or environmental analysis, it's you're jumping from one software to another software, and then you're making a you got an analysis, and then again you're switching back to your design software, making the same, making some changes. Again you're blending to your energy softwares, and also it's it goes between two other softwares. So whereas when you're working with Rhino and Grasshopper, so it's sort of a plugin sort of. So whatever design changes you're making inside Rhino and Grasshopper, automatically it gets adjusted inside your energy softwares. So it's sort of a plus. So now my Radiance and Open Studio is installed. I'll go for my second installation step. So here the optional installation, which is Radiance and Open Studio, has been installed. So again now I'll go for my second set of installation, which is just toggle it. That's all. Just double click on it. Make sure your internet connection is on, and then wait for some few seconds, like some 10 or 15 seconds. It will take a little more time than the first set of installation. So you don't have to panic. It will take some time, even though if you zoom in or zoom out, you can't see anything. So in the background it's been installed, it's getting installed. So let's wait for some few seconds. Yeah, so once your Ladybug gets installed completely, it says Ladybug 1.8 has been successfully installed. Restart Rhino. So once it is done, you don't have to do anything. Just restart your Rhino and then open Grasshopper. Just yeah, now everything is done. Restart your Rhino. So for me, I've already installed Ladybug, so I don't have to restart again. So just launch Grasshopper, and then here so right so here somewhere here you can see under L or Ladybug only it will be seen. So here you can see all your Ladybug tools, all your Ladybug and Honeybee. Yeah, Honeybee and your Radiance, HB Radiance, everything will be installed. You don't have to worry about anything anymore. So once this is done, just check whether any plugins, just drag and drop any plugins inside a Grasshopper, and then just check whether it's in orange or white color. That's all. So if it is installed, nothing. So if it is installed properly, both these this components will turn white, this white color. If it is not installed properly, it will show red. So if it is not happening, just let me know. I will help you through the installations. Yeah, then once this is done, you're good to go. We'll see in the workshop. Okay, thanks.